What's up guys? Welcome back to Autozkin Shop. Today we're continuing work on this 2020 Mercedes-Benz G63. After a full degrime, paint correction and Modesta glass coating, we're now protecting the whole exterior with Autozkin paint protection film. Installing PPF on your car can protect your paint for years to come, making the surface even more glossy, water repellent, and keeping it safe from scratches and damage. Our Autozkin PPF packages comes with a 5-year warranty against delamination and adhesive issues. Contact us today to protect your car and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell.